This is the next generation of American air dominance. The F-47 Phantom Star, a machine that does not represent improvement but reinvention. Every bolt, every panel, every surface of this aircraft has only one purpose: superiority, not parity, not balance. Total control. Unlike older jets that were built to compete, the Phantom Star was engineered to end competition entirely. Parked here under the clear afternoon sky, it looks calm, silent, almost elegant. But this silence is not peace. This silence is confidence. The skin of the Phantom Star is not paint. It is a living defense system, built from quantum metamaterial carbon lattice. This surface bends radar waves, splits them, and scatters them harmlessly. To a radar operator, the jet is not hard to detect. It is not detected at all. Where most jets overwhelm the pilot with switches and screens, the Phantom Star elevates the pilot above the aircraft. The cockpit is clean, minimal, and intelligent. Because it doesn't require constant control, it thinks. A fully integrated combat AI evaluates enemy movement, predicts threats, plots interception, calculates escape vectors, and presents the pilot with the best possible action in under a tenth of a second. The pilot is no longer flying a machine. The pilot is commanding a strategic weapon system that executes flawlessly. The heart of the Phantom Star is the Ares X adaptive turbine engine. This engine can shift airflow mode while flying, instantly. In one state, it is silent, nearly impossible to detect acoustically. In another, it becomes a hypersonic thrust generator, pushing the aircraft past Mach 3, faster than interceptors, faster than missiles. Speed is no longer something the Phantom Star uses to escape. Speed is what it uses to hunt. Look at the stance, the posture, the shape. This is not an aircraft designed to fit in the sky. It is designed to dominate the sky. No excess, no exposed weakness. Every line is intention. Every edge is purpose. This is the language of superiority, spoken in aerodynamics. Listen up, because this is where other jets fall apart. Most jets run from missiles. The F-47 deletes them. Enemy lock detected. The onboard Aegis light defense grid rotates, tracks, fires, and boom! The incoming missile is vaporized mid-air before it even gets close. No flares, no chaff, no evasive panic moves. Just straight disrespect. The Phantom Star doesn't dodge danger. It erases it. While other jets still fire explosives like it's the 1980s, the F-47 brings light-speed warfare. Its tactical laser lance can burn through armored vehicles, radar arrays, and even enemy aircraft stealth coatings without a single missile fired. No smoke trail, no warning, no mercy. If the Phantom Star sees you, you're already done. This jet doesn't fly alone. It rolls with backup, an entire robotic strike team. Micro-drones scout targets, jam radars, hack communication towers, and even attack independently. This means the F-47 doesn't enter a battlefield. It arrives with an army. In a close-range dogfight, the Phantom Star is not competing. It's humiliating. Its vector shift thrusters allow sudden direction changes that no rival jet can physically keep up with. The opponent tries to follow and simply breaks physics. You can't fight what you can't track. You can't track what isn't there. Ground-based air defense. That's cute. The Phantom Star's stealth geometry laughs at radar. Its DataGo signature tells tracking computers the jet is 50 miles in the wrong direction. By the time enemy operators realize the truth, their missile bases are already gone. This jet doesn't go home to refuel. It refuels in the sky, meaning it can stay airborne for hours, or days, or until the mission is finished. And trust me, the mission ends when the Phantom Star decides it ends. This aircraft isn't just a fighter jet. It's a strategic weapon. Where it flies, airspace changes. Borders shift. Governments think twice. This is what power projection looks like. The F-47 is not the next step in fighter aviation. It is the reset button, a new standard, a new era. Every country developing air power now has only one question. How do we fight something we cannot see, cannot catch, and cannot stop? This is the jet that makes every other jet obsolete. Not tomorrow, not in the future. Right now, if the F-22 was dominance, the F-47 is undefeatable. And the sky now belongs to one name: America. Missiles incoming, already tracked. Enemies approaching, already calculated. This jet sees everything at once, acts before humans react. Air combat prediction on steroids. Range hundreds of kilometers. Speed hypersonic. Surprise total. When the Phantom Star strikes, the target is history before it knows it's under attack. Air superiority, reconnaissance, precision strike. One jet, multiple theaters. One pilot, multiple missions. No squadron required. It is a force multiplier like no other. This is the future of air dominance. Stealth, AI, lasers, drones, hypersonic speed, all in one. It doesn't just win fights. It changes the rules of warfare. The sky belongs to the F-47 Phantom Star. The F-47 isn't limited by borders. Hypersonic missiles, precision-guided ordnance, and ultra-accurate targeting give it global strike capability. It can engage threats hundreds of kilometers away, neutralizing enemy air bases, radar arrays, or high-value targets before they even realize it's coming. No other jet can combine stealth, speed, and reach like this. In a single sortie, the F-47 can reshape the battlefield across continents. It's not just a fighter. It's a mobile, strategic command center in the sky. The F-47 isn't limited by borders. Hypersonic missiles, precision-guided ordnance, and ultra-accurate targeting give it global strike capability. It can engage threats hundreds of kilometers away, neutralizing enemy air bases, radar arrays, or high-value targets before they even realize it's coming. No other jet can combine stealth, speed, and reach like this. In a single sortie, the F-47 can reshape the battlefield across continents. It's not just a fighter. It's a mobile, strategic command center in the sky. Air dominance isn't just about guns and missiles anymore. The F-47 carries state-of-the-art electronic warfare systems. It can jam enemy radar, scramble communications, and blind surface-to-air defenses. In seconds, entire defense networks are paralyzed. Enemy aircraft lost in the dark. Missiles diverted, disarmed, neutralized. This jet doesn't just fight opponents. It breaks the battlefield, leaving enemies confused, exposed, and powerless. The F-47 isn't a single fighter. It's a networked war machine. It communicates with other aircraft, drones, satellites, and command units in real time. Target data, flight paths, enemy positions, everything is shared instantly, making the pilot a commander of the sky, not just a pilot. In modern warfare, information is power. The F-47 has more information faster than anyone else, turning every engagement into a sure victory. Stealth alone doesn't win battles. Speed alone doesn't win battles. The F-47 combines both, creating a strike that is untouchable. Enemies detect it too late, missiles cannot intercept it, and laser weapons can strike before conventional systems respond. It's the perfect storm of air dominance. Invisible, untouchable, lethal. Every mission is over before it begins. The F-47 doesn't just change battles, it changes the geopolitical landscape. Countries developing modern air forces now face a harsh reality. The F-47 sets the standard. It redefines stealth, firepower, speed, and strategy. It doesn't just defend airspace, it controls it, owns it, and dominates it. From reconnaissance to full-scale combat, from drone command to laser strikes, the Phantom Star leaves no rival standing. The question isn't whether other jets can compete. The question is, who can survive when the F-47 arrives? This is the future of air dominance. Stealth, AI, lasers, drones, hypersonic speed, all in one. It doesn't just win fights. It changes the rules of warfare. The sky belongs to the F-47 Phantom Star. And there you have it, the F-47 Phantom Star. The jet that doesn't just dominate, it rewrites the rules of air combat. Forget the F-22, the Su-57, the J-20. Nothing comes close to this level of stealth, speed, and firepower. If you love this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-blowing military tech. Comment below. Which jet should we feature next? The sky now belongs to one name, the F-47 Phantom Star.